Hello, I'm Oliver. I'm a technical sales engineer here at ABI Electronics, and with me I have...
My name is Muneeb. I'm also a technical sales engineer here at ABI Electronics in the UK.
And welcome to Series 2 of ABI Labs. If you haven't watched Series 1, you can watch that here in the suggestions on the right. In this series, we'll be talking about digital tests we can perform on logic-based ICs. So getting into to the tests, what module do we use to do digital tests?
Sure, so with the BoardMaster comes with a variety of different tests, both power off and power on. If you want to look at the power off, you could, as Oliver mentioned, you could look at the previous series, which focuses on power off tests. In this series, in this episode, it'll be more about the power on test. So the BoardMaster comes with the System ATM module, the advanced test module, and through this module you could do a variety of different tests, all the way from in-circuit component level tests to complete board functional level tests.
Is the ATM is included with BoardMaster?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, brilliant. So with the BoardMaster, what are these digital tests you can perform on these ICs?
Sure, so there's a variety of different tests allowing you to test all the common types of digital ICs, CMOS, TTL, LSI, and the rest of them. So there's a variety of different tests allowing you to detect certain different faults. For example, we have the functional tests, connection, voltage, we also have thermal and VI. Moreover, we have different instruments as well available within the software, which we will cover in the up-and-coming episodes, so keep an eye out for that. And these tests allow you to do board level tests, create your own truth table tests, but we could do a lot more deep in-circuit testing.
Okay, great. Is this the ATM module you're talking about?
Yes, indeed it is. So this is the ATM module, which is the same as the one located here.
Okay.
On the front of the module, we have the multi-way connector. We also have an auxiliary I/O connector, and these connectors, these channels are basically used to connect directly to your PCB or your component that you'd like to test.
Okay, thank you, Muneeb. So next episode we'll be talking more about the tests we can do on these ICs. So stay tuned for that. The playlist should take you directly there. But thank you for watching.